Hi there, my name is Mark Terrace with MarineMax Sarasota. Today we're going to preview this brand new 2024 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless, powered by a Mercury V8 300 horsepower motor. Now we'll work ourselves up through very versatile rear seating. You notice with these backrests, both port and starboard side, and when you want to use it as a fishing platform, easily stows right away. You've got an optional bait well here, which can also serve as a cooler, being that Boston Whalers are completely foam filled. All of the boxes are insulated and will provide just like a Yeti cooler. You've got this leaning post, which changes positions. This boat's equipped with another bait well. Up at the helm, this is equipped with the JL audio stereo system and a Simrad fish finder, GPS, depth finder, and fish finder. You've got a real nice phone charger built into the top of this dash, lockable storage. And then moving forward, this boat is equipped with a head that has a pump out feature up on the T-top. And this is really where the boat's going to shine. Is not only is it a great fishing boat, but from a cruising aspect, you've got just this great seating. Nice seat for two here. A nice lounge seating up front. This boat's equipped with a trolling motor panel, so you can outfit it with that if your use is going to be fishing. This also has an optional sunshade, so when you're sitting at a sandbar or at a beach, you can get some sun coverage over this area. And then the storage on the boat is just incredible. This boat has an optional bow table, which conveniently stores right here. Nice insulated box there. Come down to MarineMax Sarasota for more information on this gorgeous Platinum 250 Dauntless Boston Whaler.